Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make chicken shashlik, and this is like the easiest recipe you're ever going to make. So with that, I have made some rice, like the vegetable rice, but in this video I will teach you how to make chicken shashlik. So first of all, I have taken 1 kg chicken. I have taken boneless chicken. With that, I'm adding ginger garlic paste and some soya sauce. With that, I'm adding chili sauce, about 1 tablespoon, and some chili powder, red chili powder, you can also call as lal mirch. I'm adding salt and as well as egg. You can add salt according to your taste. I'm adding corn flour and we are going to mix it well with the help of a spoon. After mixing all these ingredients, we're going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Or you can say we have to marinate it. Now we're going to fry the marinated chicken, and we are going to add these chicken one by one, these chicken pieces one by one into the frying pan. Well, I'm taking it out into a plate and I've placed tissue paper so the excessive oil is not in that pan. With that, I'm going to take some oil and I have added ginger garlic paste. With that, I'm adding capsicum and some onions. I've added onions which I have chopped before, and I've also chopped the capsicum. I'm adding red chili powder. I'm going to mix it with the help of a wooden spoon as far as I'm using a non-stick pan. I'm adding vinegar 1 tablespoon, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, and salt. You can add it according to your taste. Now we're going to mix all these ingredients quite well, and with that I'm adding chili sauce 1 tablespoon and tomato ketchup. With that, I'm adding chili garlic sauce as well. Now we're going to mix all these ingredients quite well, and then we're going to add the fried chicken. Now mix all these ingredients and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. But before that, we're going to add some water, and once the water started evaporating and there is no excessive water into this thing and we have left with the gravy, then you can say our recipe is about to be done. But then we are going to add water and corn flour mixture to make the gravy a little bit thick. Well, it's up to you. If you want to make the gravy thick, you can add that mixture, but if you don't want the thickness of the gravy, then you can avoid that. Now present it into a representative plate and eat it with Chinese rice, vegetable rice, or egg fried rice, whatever you like to eat it with. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do try this recipe at home. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.